It's your girl Shantae. Hope you guys are doing well. Today, as you can see by the title of the video, we will be doing some unboxing from some baby registries. So I have a few. I have BuyBuy Baby, the BabyList. Those two I have currently now for the registry boxes, and also I'm going to be showing an unboxing of the August and September the belly boxes. So let's get into the video. The first one I took it out the box, so I just wanted to put it in this cute little basket. This is the BuyBuy Baby registry, so I just kind of organized it in this basket so I can put it on my dresser. Trying to get things organized. I have like baby stuff coming in like every day from our registry. So the first thing that comes in the BuyBuy Baby registry, it comes with the books, the registry guide. You know, it has coupons. It has, what else does it have? It has, you know, different baby pictures and like baby products, dressers, the whole nine. It comes with that. It did come in this bag. I saved the bag so you can see the BuyBuy Baby bag. It comes like in this bag, so I saved the bag. It comes with a Avient. I think I'm saying it correctly. Avient or Events. I think Avient. Baby bottle. Comes with that. And if you guys are wondering, I got this baby bag August. So we're currently in September, so August. I got it last month. So if you guys, you know, are pregnant and are going to register, I'm showing you guys a little sneak peek. The natural bottle, 4-ounce natural bottle. It also comes with a sample of 7th generation diapers. Not sure if you guys can see that. 7th generation diapers in a size 1, and it's the sensitive skin diapers. It looks like it comes with about maybe 5 of them. It also comes with some nursing pads and some storage breast milk bags as well. And this is from Lancino. I am so horrible at these names, but yeah. Are you guys seeing that clearly? It also comes with a gripe water original for baby stomach from BabyList. You see, you guys seeing it? There we go. It comes with the BuyBuy Baby on board sign. So cute. Can't wait to put this on my car. But I have a few of these, so I'm not sure which one I'm going to put on. But we're going to put one on my husband's car and one on my car. It comes with a Freedom Mom. Freedom Mom. There we go. And the Freedom Mom comes with a disposable postpartum underwear for moms. I'm gonna take it out so you guys can see. So this is the disposable underwear. I've never wanted one of these before. This is my first pregnancy, so I'm learning like what we're gonna need for postpartum and things like that. It also comes with the boogie wipes, the saline nose wipes, and it comes with the cocoa butter stretch mark lotion, a sample of it. Come on, focus, focus, focus. There we go. And lastly, it comes with the Pampers Swaddlers package. I'm thinking a lot of the registry comes with this because I've seen it. I think I've seen it in another box that I got. And this is a changing pad, I believe. Comes with the changing pad. Yes. Comes with the changing pad. And it has a few things in the changing pad. Baby laundry detergent. Everyone's favorite, I think. But I won't be using this one. I'll be using 7th generation. I'm trying to use everything natural. Comes with some coupons, pamper coupons. And it comes with a sample of a pamper wipe. And a Pampers wipes sensitive. So that's all that comes in the BuyBuy Baby registry bag. So I'm going to show you the BabyList one now. So this is not sponsored or anything, but the one thing I do like about BabyList is that you can literally add things from different sites on your registry, like Amazon, Target, etc. So the BabyList one comes in a box like this. It has BabyList on it. See, like I was saying, it comes I know I saw another one of these, so I got another one of the Pampers what was I calling this? Pregnancy brain is crazy. I can't remember what this is called again. Changing pad. Yes, comes with a Pampers changing pad. So that comes in the BabyList package as well, and it says hello baby. So I got another one of these. Let me put that here. Oh, it comes with this cute little card for your baby's first day. It says it says today I am 1 year old, 1 day old. That's so cute. I'll use that. I'm thinking this is a gift card. I never opened it, but let's see. It's from Yummy. Let's see what this is. Oh, it actually is a gift card. Oh, I didn't know that. So it comes with a $35 Yummy gift card. So cool. I didn't even notice that before. I think I didn't really open this one because I wanted to open it for the video. It comes with this cute little mini clip to go toy. So cute. You can put it on the baby's car seat or the baby's stroller. But I don't know. Do you guys think this is like unisex, or do you think it's like kind of girly? I don't know. I'm having a boy, so I don't know. I want everything to be like macho. It comes with a pacifier and some more breast pads, and also the breast milk storage bags. And this one is from Nano BB. Also comes with a Chico pacifier. This pacifier is not my preference, but it comes with it. You guys can see. There we go. So it's a clear baby pacifier. Also comes with another nursing pad and breast milk storage. And we get the Honest wipes. Honest baby wipes. There we go. And what else is in here? A few coupons, and you get a a sample of the baby Purist wipes. So I'm gonna actually try this because this is the one I have on my registry, the water wipes. So I'm gonna try this since it comes with one. I'm gonna use it and see how I like it, just to make sure this is the one I want to use for him. But it's supposed to be like the Purist wipe. I watched some videos on YouTube and everybody basically loved it. So I'm gonna try it out myself before using it on him. And they also gave a acid and indigestion relief tablet, and that was it. So that was that for the registry boxes. I'm thinking if I should show you guys the belly boxes in this video or in the next video, just to break it up, because I don't want the videos to be that long. But I think I'm just going to show you the belly boxes real quick. This is a belly box. Let's see what it says. Can you see it? Yeah, the belly box. And I got this one last month. I did the 3-month package where I get one for 3 months. I did, like, they have different plans, so you can choose to get one for 1 month, you can get one for 3 months, 6 months, the whole pregnancy, but I chose to just start off with 3. And it's so cute. It comes like this. It says congratulations mama, and they wrap it up and it has this little mama sticker. So let's go through this quickly. Comes with little cards. It comes with a mama stroller tag. So you put this on a stroller. It comes with this mama tote. It comes with a mama keychain. Oh. A mama keychain. Can you see that? There we go. And it comes with a mama's t-shirt. So this first package I got was like all mama stuff, because I'm gonna be a mama. Oh, the shirt feels really soft. It feels like a blanket. And oh, and it says bump. It says bump on it. Oh, bump. Baby, turn around and let me see the sexy body go bump, bump, bump. I'm start wearing this to bed. It feels really soft, like a nice blanket. Like, it makes you want to have like hot cup of tea or hot cocoa. And lastly, it came with a bright eye serum. It's a coffee infused eye serum. Ingredients: hemp oil, rose hip seed. Okay, so it came with that, an eye serum. I don't know if you guys can see it. Focus, focus, focus. There we go. Look at that. And that was all in that box. And lastly, I have another belly box, the one I recently got. Again, it says the belly box. This one came with, it's a small box. Focus. There we go. And it has a pair of earrings in it. Isn't this cute? So cute. There we go. That is so nice of them. So it came with some stud earrings. I love studs. It came with a hat, and the hat says motherhood on it. Motherhood. Came with the hat. Has like, have to clean that off. It came with a magnesium spray that helps relieve sore muscles, restless legs, headaches, and sleepiness. Never used it before, but this is what it comes with. Focus, baby, focus. Focused. There we go. It comes with See, we got another baby on board decal for the car. See if you guys can see that. It's like a white one. I think I'm gonna put that one on my car because my car is white, so that will look nice. Comes with this cute little pouch that says mama on it, so I guess I'm probably putting like toiletries or things for him in this bag, and I can just pop it in my purse. And it comes with something for your little one, a onesie. Let's take it out. All these little things, do that later. Comes with a onesie that says loved on it, because your baby is loved by you, the parents and family. So that was the last thing that came in the box. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe for more videos. I have more videos coming up of baby hauls and everything else that happens in motherhood. See you guys in your next video. Subscribe and see you guys soon. Mwah. Love you.